Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank the CEO of this Diamond Excellence Awards, Mr. Ares Concepcion, for making this event possible. And I'm hoping for the sustainability of this endeavor. Also, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude for despite hectic schedule, being as a local chief executive, I managed to attend for tonight's awarding ceremony. This morning, I was at the Manila Hotel to receive the very first-time recognition and the highest recognition conferred by the national government and the Department of Interior and Local Government to cities, provinces, and municipalities, which is the Seal of Good Local Governance, or SGLG. This is in addition to the recent reclassification of our town and the municipality of Nunungan from third class to first class municipality. The next day, December 11, Nunungan will receive an Anti-Drug Abuse Council Award in sustaining the drug alert status in 2018 for receiving Gold Award after garnering a perfect 100 functionality points and the only municipality in the region to receive such award. From these national awards, eventually made your story to receive various international awards, which include Most Outstanding Filipino in the Field of Public Service, conferred at Los Angeles, California in the USA, and World Peace Award at Bangkok, Thailand, both in the year 2018. All this became my gateway to becoming an elected president of all the mayors in the province of Lanao del Norte, and eventually the national vice president of all the municipal mayors in the Philippines. Moreover, with her passion and dedication to help the showbiz industry, yours truly has been appointed as an executive advisor of the Actors Guild in the Philippines and the Showbiz Industry Alliance with Imelda Papin as our president. In order to get rid of the vibration among celebrities after pandemic, I realized to produce movies to support the movie industry. With this, I produced my first inspiring movie entitled Mamay, a journey to greatness, a life story of Mayor Marcos Mamay. And I made this movie to inspire individuals, highlighting poverty is not the hindrance to success. Nothing is more impressive than helping others. So thank you so much. May God bless us all.
Next on stage, President, NEP 25, Mr.